Hi guys, today I'm making another one of the recipes you all requested. This one is for corn dogs. So to make this I'm using pre-boiled hot dogs that I cut into a half, and I'm going in with a skewer about half of the way up. You just want to put that skewer in. Once the skewer goes in, you want to set those hot dogs aside. Let's work on the batter for this. So to my bowl I'm going to go in with some Mamacita corn flour and some flour, some sugar, which is optional, baking powder, and salt. Now we want to mix those dry ingredients and set this aside. In another bowl we're going to make our wet mixture. So to my bowl I'm going in with eggs and milk. You want to whisk that and break up the eggs. Next, pour your wet mixture into your dry mixture and mix to combine. You want a nice, smooth, pourable batter. You see the consistency of my batter? That is how it should look. Next, pour this into a tin, tall glass or container. It must be thin and tall because you want that dog, when you put that dog in there, it must be covered with the batter. And all you have to do is make sure it's properly covered. And then this goes into your hot oil, and you want to use a small tall pot also because you want the dog to fit properly in there. Something wide and flat will not work. Fry until it has a nice golden brown exterior, and continue frying until you've fried out all of the dogs. Now I made this in a half. You can make the entire dog, you'll just need a deeper pot. And to serve, I like serving this with some ketchup and hot sauce. You can serve it with whatever you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's really delicious and really easy to put together. If you make it, let me know down below if you like it. Thank you so much for the request. Make sure and leave your new requests in the comment section. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!